for you. I've got the ABUS 83/AL/45mm, which has been repinned and keyed for me very kindly by MrAnbody, which is Andy on UK Lock Sport. As you can see, he's made it quite difficult for me. He's made pin 1 quite low, so I'm going to get into 2, 3, 4 and 5 underneath pin 1, and pin 6 is right up top there, so very easy to overset because of where he's pinned here. He's put security pins in the top pins, spools, barrel pins, homemade spools, so let's give it a go at picking. Not easy pick, so it may be at a time, guys, so I do apologise about how long it takes, but hey, that's the way it goes sometimes. So a bit of tension, back of the lock, just pulling it out, come to a binding pin, pin 2, pin 6, pin 5, pin 3, pin 2, let's try and find a counter rotation, pin 1, pin 4, pin 6, counter rotation on 2, pin 4, click but no rotation, pin 5, full set there, do feel like I've just got to get this pin 6. There we go, that was pin 6, very difficult to get at. As you can see, look at the full set that is at now, it can't budge it. If you look at the angle of where 12 o'clock position should be, whoa, that is that homemade spool that Andy has made for me. So just trying to find counter rotation, feel like pin 3 or 2, not sure. So be careful, don't lose this. There you go. Cheers guys, and thanks Andy.